Kia ora, good evening. We begin tonight with two big court cases. We'll get to the exorcism trial in Wellington shortly, but first to David Bain's murder retrial in Christchurch, where the Crown has called its last witness.
And the jury heard evidence from David Bain's first trial that he couldn't explain how he got blood on his clothes or how he got bruising on his face. Vicky Wilkinson-Baker is covering the case. She joins us now live. Vicky.
Well, after 8.5 weeks, the Crown has called its final witness today. We also heard a lot of evidence from the first trial. Now, this was read out by the judge, and it gave us an insight into what David Bain's reaction was to the case against him.
I said to him that he would be charged with those murders.
The officer who arrested David Bain nearly 15 years ago.
What did he reply to that?
He said, "No, I'm not guilty."
For the accused, it was time to revisit the past, hearing what he told police the day he was arrested.
On the back of that shirt, we have observed blood. How did that get there? Answer, I don't know. Question, we have located a spot of blood on your black rugby shorts you were wearing. Explain to me how that got there. Answer, I can't.
Also read out to the court his evidence from the first trial of finding all his family dead. First his mother, then his brother Stephen.
The next thing I remember is being in Laniette's room, and I could hear her gurgling. I could see blood all over her face and on the pillow. I can't recall if I touched her.
The Crown says if David Bain heard Laniette gurgling, he must be the killer. He also told the first jury he had no idea how bruising got on his face.
No, I can't. I can't remember how I got them, but I do know I did not have the bruise or the scrape on my knee while doing the paper round.
And a new development today over an old controversy surrounding a lens found in his brother Stephen's room. The defence say it was planted. A new police witness says after analysing video, it can be seen all along.
In fact, it's capable of demonstration that that is the lens.
That prompting this during cross-examination.
I do need to say, however, that my answers, if you pursue this, do not go in favour of your client.
Are you a constable in the police service?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, stationed in Timaru?
I am.
All right. Why don't you stick to your job?
Yeah, fair enough.
All right, Vicky, is the Crown case now over?
Well, it basically is over. The last witness did give us evidence today, but there are a few loose ends to tie up, and the jury won't be required tomorrow because there's going to be legal arguments. The defence may start on Friday, may start on Monday. It's all a little bit uncertain at this stage. When they do get going, they're going to be calling 50 to 60 witnesses. That's probably going to take around about a month, so that will take us through to the first or second week in June.
All right, thanks for the update, Vicky. Vicky Wilkinson-Baker in Christchurch.